Good morning, everybody. Okay, it is a little before 6 a.m. on Friday, July 31st. We are just about to enter Toronto, and we are headed to Quebec. So, stay tuned. Okay, so we're just heading through Toronto, and of course, there's already traffic, and it's, like I just said, not even 6 a.m. So, wish us luck. Welcome to Toronto morning traffic. We made it to the one and only Walmart, and we're not the only ones. There's 2 RVs there, and then there's another 3 back on the other side. Precious is at the door whining, but yeah, I'm gonna go in, get the last little items I need, and then back on the highway. Pressy, are you excited? Are you happy? Okay guys, I did Walmart. I just put everything away, but as I was walking over back to the RV, I noticed that something is dripping underneath. Kind of hard to see because of the shadow, but I have a feeling I've had this issue before because my water pump is up in here, and sometimes it comes a little bit loose and then drips. Yep, it's that white or clear thing that hooks onto the water pump is dripping. So I guess it looks like as soon as we get where we're going, I'll be doing some plumbing. But lucky for me, I think I have everything with me that I would need to fix it. So back on the road. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, bienvenue à la belle province de Quebec. We made it. And welcome to the land of crazy drivers. Nobody uses a signal and everybody speeds. So as you can see, Quebec is basically just a French Ontario. Looks exactly the same as Ontario, roughly the same size population-wise. Only difference, here they speak French. So, now that, and we have arrived. Alright guys, not gonna lie, I got here last night, I got all set up, had a fire, had a few drinks, and I'm pretty sure I fixed the water line. So I want to go and double check and make sure it's not still leaking. But other than that, yeah, see, I still have to clean up my mess from yesterday. But you can see in the background, beautiful park. Although the lots for campers are rather small, as you can see. My neighbor and me are maybe 10 feet apart. But let's check the water leak. Perfect. Still bone dry. So basically all I did was back it off, re-Teflon tape it, put it back on. Good to go. Well, it's raining. The roads are basically washed out over there. And I definitely need to invest in a new awning. Mine has tons of little holes in it and does not keep anything dry. So, add it to the list. Okay, well, it looks like the sun came back out. So, it's now or never for our walk around. So let's go see what it's all about. The weather keeps going up and down. 1 minute it's raining, then it's not, then it's windy, then it's not, then it's cold. But typical for, you know, this part of the country anyways. Southern Ontario, Southern Quebec, it's both like that. You get to experience several different climates in one day. Just to give you an idea of how tiny the sites are. Like this one's empty because the neighbor left this morning, but it only goes from that pole to where the table is. So, but they have lots of amenities to make up for it, I guess. So when I say they have lots of amenities, they have lots of amenities. So you can sit out there. That is restaurant number 1. Restaurant number 2 also has a bar. And then a little bit further down here, corner store, which sells everything from lottery tickets to scratch tickets to beer, wine, cigarettes. They even make pizza. So lots of amenities here. On the weekend, they have registered massage therapists. You can go for a massage or hang out at the pool, which also has a 2-story bar right at the pool. So no shortage of things to do here, that's for sure. So while I walk around and take in the beautiful sights, like some people have really outdone themselves on their lots here. Like look, you'd never know that that was a pop-up trailer. But while I'm walking around, I figured I'd touch base on the repairs that I had to make on the RV. So the no starting issue ended up being the solenoid on the starter. So I just replaced the whole starter. And then while I was there, I also replaced 2 brake lines and flushed out the rear differential and put in new oil. So we're good to go there. I'm walking uphill. See, these sites back here are camping sites as well, but I think there's no hydro back here. I meant to ask when I was at the store because it's much shadier back here, therefore it's much cooler. But like, look, here's another one. Look at that site. Who moved all those rocks? Absolutely beautiful though. But like, seriously though, that's a lot of hard work to build that up, to level it off, to make that patio. Beautiful. There's another cute little place. Like, I don't even know if there's a trailer back there. It's basically a cottage. So you can definitely see that people do care about their sites around here. Bridges, and although I wouldn't want to fall on that coming home drunk. But like, that one back there is basically a cottage. At this point, I wouldn't call it a trailer anymore. But very big park. You could walk for hours around here. And then we come back to this little slacker. Crushy, are you slacking today? Are you tired? Are you tired? Okay. Bathing suit, check. Sunglasses, check. Precious, out of the way. You are not going to the pool. That's right. We're finally headed to the pool. I know you guys probably were like, Brandon, you walked right by it and didn't show it. I was going to get my bathing suit, that's why. So I'll pick you up when I get there. Boom. There it is. So as you can see, it has like a double deck over there to lounge. I don't want to just go barging in with the camera and the microphone and all of that because it is kind of busy. And it's also really windy. So maybe I'll come back a little later and do my swimming. I'm not the most social butterfly in the garden, if you know what I mean. But that was the pool. It's big, it's heated, it's nice. But it's also quite busy. So you could sit over here, watch a game of volleyball, or sit over there. And by the looks of it, they also have horseshoes. A nice little gliding table thing underneath that gazebo. Watching. Okay guys, well, I think I'm gonna end the video right here because I'm just gonna barbecue chicken, cook rice, vegetables, and eat dinner and then try the pool again when everybody leaves. So yeah, I'll probably just end it right here. But I will catch you guys in the next one, wherever that may be. I don't even know where I'm going from here. Your guess is as good as mine at this point. So I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.